this goes back about 10 years ago, and we played at a school in South Queens, completely, I think, Hispanic. And we finished the concert with a Hasidic nigun, Hasidic melody, where we have the kids sing there's a recurring part that they sing along. It's pretty long. We use a system of having the boys and girls compete against each other as a way of motivating them to kind of, be involved. Anyway, and some kid ran up to me as we were taking our equipment out of the school, I think about a 10-year-old boy, and he goes, "That song that you sang," and he sang a little bit of it, he goes, "That's the best song I ever heard." That was nice.